Yes, 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 yes. Come on, Craig.
StepCon 2022 was really a life-changing experience for me and my friends because the teamwork that we were able to conjure up in there was amazing. I didn't know I could do that. I usually get angry when I work with people, but this made me have a lot of patience, and it made me like happy to have a team to work with, and it made me think that I can actually do cybersecurity in the future. And this is actually really life changing for me because I wanted to do astronomy, but now I'm really thinking about cybersecurity.